Enjoy ka pa rin ah.
Opo.
Siyempre, hanap na reels. Gusto mo ng CV? Ito ba kayo? Flying ko.
Jamaica pa din. Ay, sige
Limitless.
po. Nawala kasing ganito ko dati.
Calendar din po.
Sige po.
Pero wala kami pa.
Okay lang po yan.
Ang baba naman ng energy, wala pang mas ilalakas dyan! Hey, kwentuhan niyo ulit.
Love me the same if I showed you. This one's for the boys, for the boom assistants. Paraíso. So excited. Oh, it makes me
Is about celebrating a woman whose voice became part of our lives, our playlist, our heartbreaks, our healing.
Yes.
At syempre, pati rin sa videoke sessions natin.
Yes.
Kinakanta natin. Ako, isang pagpapatunay po na very humble po si Julie kasi niya hanggang sa, alam mo, kaaway ko yun. Chamates, are you ready?
Yeah!
Make some noise! Just limitless star, Miss Julian San Jose!
This is Jeff's Music Box Live. You got that super bad. Everybody make some noise! There's one for the boys with the boom and sit sometimes down and see what I call the say. I'm Julia and I'm at Buddha. That's Buddha. Oh, you you got that super bad. I feel like I've been chasing. Let's go. Hey, I gave you my heart till there's nothing left. Don't leave me out at
Oh my God!
You are my dream, you are my hope, you are my love, and baby, you are my heart. You need all because
Priority ko sa buhay. Sige, sabihin mo pa lahat.
back to the end of baby. Go! Kung ikaw ay bibitaw,
trials and tribulations din ako napadaanan for like the past years.
Happy birthday, Miss Julian San Jose!
Thank you. May bubuksan tayo.
Pag to picture ko Bakit?
Plaka ba to? Plaka ba to?
Plaka.
Oh my God! Alam mo, pangarap ko magkaroon ng plaka.
Di ba sa LTO, pwede ka naman mo. Magparehistro ka kasi.
Nakarehistro na ako.
Nakarehistro ka na.
Thank you so much! Thank you everyone. Good night. And God bless everyone!
Isa lang, please. Thank you. It's life changing to see you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Good night.